Hello guys, welcome to WordPress School. Today we are going to learn about how to upload theme and plugin in your WordPress through the server. As we know, sometimes we are getting some error uploading a theme. There you can see some memory limited or upload memory limited or and many things you can see. You maybe can see during your work purpose or client work purpose. Generally, we know how to set up theme from WordPress repository. Here we all know just a one click and it will set up as a new theme from the WordPress repository. And if we want to upload a premium theme from the another marketplace like a themeforest.net, see here you will get any theme with the price. So we have two theme right now. I will upload that theme directly from this server way by the file manager. You can find it in your cPanel hosting, cPanel access. So let's check it out. First of all, you have to unzip your theme. This is not the folder you have to upload. Here you can see a lot of file folder presence. Yeah, you can see this theme is null. It's just for your learner. Don't use any null theme for your client work. It's just for your practice. So you have to check it. If this is a root directory of a theme, then it will work properly. And how you get it, how you realize, how you check it, it's a root directory. Extract again and go into that. See, that is not a root directory of the theme. This is the root directory of the theme. And see the all theme file is in this folder ohio. So we have to upload this folder in our server, but you cannot upload this open folder in there. So you have to make it a zip file, compress to zip file. If you can't see in your computer, right button mouse click this panel, then if you see there is show more option, you will see 7 zip things if you set up already this software, or if you see this here. With this WinRAR software you have to make it add to archive, then you will see the zip folder option. Or if you are using 7-zip software, then you will see easily add to ohio zip. Now it has been zipped. See where should I upload this thing. In the WordPress directory where you set up already WP, you will see WP admin. That means this folder contain all admin option here. If you see WP content, that means all contents are here. If you see WP includes, that means all of new things included. Overall files are in here. So as a theme and plugin is a content of the WordPress. So I have to go here, see the folder name with plugin themes, upgrade, upload. You don't have to do anything in this two folder. Just go to theme folder. See there already two theme checked in here. So now you have to see for a button to upload file in the hosting server. In my case it is here. You may see that thing here or anywhere. If your server doesn't have this option like I have, then ask your server to give to you the full authority. So go to upload. Here we'll open the upload panel, select the file. As I have opened the folder already, there I am tagging that thing in here. see drop file here to start uploading. So it will take few minutes. I don't think it's minutes, it's a second. If you have slow internet, then it will take um, couple of minutes or couple of 30 minutes or maybe hour. Depends on how big your theme file is. Now go to theme. Here is the most important part. You are going to blow your mind. We upload a theme, but here it doesn't show. So how it will show your thinking? That means zip file or rar file doesn't show automatically in your server. It's for their security service. So you have to visible that zip file. Go to setting, save. See, you can see now here zip file. I hope you saw that clearly. You have to find the settings. Maybe in your server it can be um, open up with a right click, or maybe there will be some setting button anywhere of the page. You have to click that. Don't click any other things. If you see still show hidden file checkbox is selected, then uncheck and check again. That's it. You can see the file now. Okay, now I have to unzip it here because zip folder does not work with the theme access file extract. So as we need the root directory in here to work the theme, then the directory is the right way. This is the right directory. Extract. So all are done. Then load. There is the theme file setup done. Go back. Now you can delete this or keep this, whatever you want. Go to admin dashboard, reload. See, here is the new theme. We have the basic theme, which is this one already active. Now I'm going to active this one. It's activated and it's requiring they are regarding plugins, which is need for the theme support. So you can see here is the theme already set up. So about the plugin, you have to do the same thing. Just go to this plugin folder and paste you upload your plugin zip in here, then unzip, then zip file you can delete that. Okay, generally plugin doesn't make any trouble to upload from here. All plugin are very small size, so I don't think you have to face any problem to upload a plugin. So guys, stay with WordPress School. You will learn many things very essential. Like and subscribe so you will get our notification about the update video. Bye bye. Hope for the best. See you soon.